Ki khubor ka Batesi TV.
Ka umdi basnyam bat penjaslian. Rupa Premium Meghalaya.
Unong yalam ka BJP uba Alexander Elhek ubalongru Menteri ka Sarkar Jela uloong bakidon kattu kan ni kikinhon kibala bandon kti haka ba penbut nam ya ka BJP haka rinsan social media baka dei ka balong persya ya ki Kristan haka jingkran bat kilap pathay kubor haka sautarek unailur hajar arpusan uba Elhek uloong lada dei shisha baka BJP ka leben ya kanuguno ka jayben rio ne ya kikinhon yam Kristan, Hindu, Muslim kan kata shisha ya ka BJP. Henry kamlong satya ka badai ban syutai pop klem ki daw ba shisha.
See, this actually you ask me as a politician, is this because it has not done directly by BJP? Why will have effect on BJP? If BJP has not done anything wrong against any community or any Christian or any Hindu or any Muslim or any faith. If the BJP directly involved, then only I will tell you, yes, it will have an effect on the party.
So in the stating, the chief spokesperson Karkran admitted
But we cannot deny the fact. All the political party, they are playing their own card. Sometimes BJP also playing their own card for the other against other party. So other party also will play their own card only against the BJP.